Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming in with a product. This is pretty interesting. We've got cases for the iPhone 8 Plus, the iPhone 8, and the iPhone X, which is pretty interesting. This comes to us from a company called Caudabe, I believe. It might be Caudabe. I'm not sure how to pronounce this correctly, but there will be a link on the show. They've sent us several different cases. As you can see here, we've got a whole bunch of them we'll go through. We don't get the iPhones. I'm a Samsung person, so I don't really have a way to test these out or show these to you other than we can pull them out of the box and play with them. There's the sheath, which is pretty interesting. This is for the iPhone X. It's ultra slim, got plenty of absorption. There's another thing called the sheath that looks like it's kind of more designed for the iPhone 8 Plus. So there's that. There's the Lucid Clear, which is for the iPhone X. There's the Synthesis for the iPhone X, which is pretty interesting. There's the Veil, which is for the iPhone X. And they have the Veil XT, which is for your iPhone 8 Plus. So let's go ahead and pick one that's kind of like, I don't know, kind of looks like it's doing pretty good. Let's go with the sheath. I've got two of them here. So we'll go and open up this box. We'll get a good idea as to what these are. They're fairly inexpensive, so it's not like we're talking a certain amount of richness here or anything. It says it's exquisitely slim, drop tested at 2 meters, which is 6.6 feet. And it's got a raised edge screen protection, so those are always good to have. Not much to the box, not much to everything really here. There you are. I can tell you that it's very thin, which is what I kind of expected. Their price point. They've got some features on the back that you can see here. Of course, places for all the different holes and plugs and ports and buttons you need to take and hit. It feels really thin. I don't know if I'd ever have this drop from 6.6 based upon how thin this is, but maybe it's made of a TPU or some sort of material. It's made of a polymer with outstanding shock absorption. You can drop test from 6.6 feet. It cushions your iPhone from everyday drops and tumbles while encasing the slim form in a micro edge matte texture that provides premium feel and excellent grip. It does feel good. It's not too slick, so you'd have some holding stuff. It feels like it's thin enough to where you can really appreciate the fact that it's not this giant thing over your phone. Anyway, my recommendation, we don't have any way of testing this. I'm not even sure why they sent them, but Caudabe.com is the website, and you can see some of the cool products. Then you can go to their website and order your iPhone X or your iPhone 8 or 8 Plus cases. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way, gotta find out what's in the box.